Alright everybody, we are going back to Pismo Beach for another workshop, May 1st through the 4th, 2026. You'll want to be on this workshop because we are going to go to many exciting places to photograph. So watch the video all the way through to see all those locations, and I'll see you in Pismo Beach. We'll be visiting the Pismo Beach Pier, plenty of opportunities for sunset, water shots where the land meets the ocean. We'll go to several other locations, including sunrise at Shell Beach and a special visit to the magical forest of Los Osos Oaks State Park, where the moss hangs from the centuries-old oak trees. And warning, frequent stops will be made to capture those magical pastoral scenes and that beautiful fog that rolls in the morning. And oh yes, there will be sunsets, magical sunsets. We'll make a trip out to the eucalyptus groves of Montana de Oro and visit the historical caretaker's cottage. And of course, a visit to the secret sea caves along the coast. Not to mention my favorite spot, Oceano Dunes. We'll have a chance to photograph sunrise and sunset on the dunes. Majestic dunes rise upwards with elegant design. And don't forget to gaze downward and explore the small details of the dunes. Light plays on the dunes, revealing waves of detail, and a dance opens up between light and shadow. Climb to the top of the dunes and witness the sun as it goes down on the coast of California. We will also be making a stop off at Morro Bay. We will explore the area around Morro Rock, the massive ancient rock formation that rises dramatically from the ocean 576 feet. The surrounding area is also a protected bird sanctuary, providing plenty of opportunities for all of you bird photographers. And in addition to Morro Bay, a little further north on the coast, near Cayucas, we will find an amazing and unique opportunity to photograph the shipwreck of the Point Estero. The shipwreck is set against a picturesque coastal backdrop, including the Pacific Ocean, sandy beaches, rocky shore, and dramatic cliffs. I can't wait to see what the ever-changing weather patterns and coastal tides provides for added drama and mood. Don't get left behind on this one, so grab your cameras. We are going to Pismo Beach, May 1st through the 4th. Online registration available at my website, lavogel.com. And all this for the low price of only $375. But wait, there's more. Included in this workshop package, approximately 2 weeks after the workshop, all participants are invited to join me online for an image share and discussion as we review participants' photographs from the workshop. Please get signed up, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm Larry Vogel, and I'll see you in Pismo.